Hello students, welcome back to 100% Maths channel. I am Soumya. ನೋಡಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ 3.3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 15 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಾರಿ 14 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈ ಸೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 14 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, 15th one, sin 840 degree. Sin 840 degree can be written as, see, sin of 2 into 360 degree. 2 into 360 is 720 degree. 720 plus 120 degree. Okay, 720 plus 120 degree is 840. Correct. Next, sin of, this is in the form of 360 degree plus theta. Correct. 360 degree plus theta, first quadrant. In first quadrant, all the ratios are positive. If the angle is 360 plus theta, 180 degree plus or minus theta idre ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಟು ಸೈನ್, ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ರಿಮೈನ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 360 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ತೀಟಾ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 120 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸಾರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ತೀಟಾ ಈಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ತೀಟಾ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 120 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 120 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟನ್ ಆಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. Okay, sin of 90 degree plus 30, 90 degree plus 30, second quadrant. In second quadrant, sin is positive. Okay, next sin is positive, angle is 90, automatically sin changes to cos. Cos theta, in place of theta, 30 degree is there. Okay, next cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. Okay, next 16th one, secant of minus 780 degree. See, this is in the form of secant of minus theta. Secant of minus theta is plus secant theta because minus theta fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos and its reciprocal secant are positive. Okay, secant of minus theta is plus secant theta. So, secant of minus 780 degree is plus secant of 780 degree. Next, secant of 780 can be written as 2 into 360 is 720 degree plus 60 degree. Correct. Next, secant, this is in the form of 360 degree plus theta. Okay, 360 degree plus theta idre first quadrant. In first quadrant, all the ratios are positive. If angle is 360 plus or minus theta, ratios remain same. Okay, so secant of 360 plus theta is secant of 60 degree. In place of theta, 60 is there. So, I have written here 60 degree. Okay, next, secant of 60 degree is secant reciprocal is cos. Cos 60 is what? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Okay, so secant 60 is 2 by 1. So, the answer is 2. Correct. Next, cosecant of minus 840 degree. This can be written as, see, this is in the form of cosecant of minus theta. Cosecant of minus theta ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? Minus cosecant of theta, because minus theta is in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant cosecant is negative. Okay, in place of theta 840 is there. So, minus cosecant of 840 can be written as, see, 2 into 360 degree plus 120 degree. Next, minus cosecant of 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta, first quadrant. In first quadrant, all the ratios are positive. So, if angle is 360 plus or minus theta, 180 degree plus or minus theta, ratios remain same. Got it? So, 360 idre cosecant age changes agutte. So, in place of theta, 120 degree is there. Okay, next, minus cosecant of 120 can be written as 90 degree plus 30 degree. So, 90 degree plus theta, second quadrant. In second quadrant, cosecant is ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕೊಸಿಕ್ಯಾಂಟ್. 90 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಕೊಸಿಕ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಟು ಸಿಕ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಸಿಕ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ secant of 30. Secant reciprocal is cos. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 alva. So secant 30 is 2 by root 3. Understood? The final answer is minus 2 by root 3. Next 18th one, cot of minus theta. This is in the form of cot of minus theta. Cot of minus theta is minus cot theta. In fourth quadrant, cot is negative. 18th problem, cot of minus 390 degree. This is in the form of cot of minus theta. Cot of minus theta is minus cot theta, because minus theta fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cot is negative, correct? Next, in place of theta 390 is there, so minus cot 390 degree. Next, minus cot 390 can be written as 360 degree plus 30 degree. 360 degree plus 30, 360 plus theta is in first quadrant. In first quadrant, all the ratios are positive and ratios remain same. Okay. Next, minus cot 30 degree. Cot 30 value. Cot 30. Cot reciprocal is tan. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So cot 30 is root 3 by 1 is root 3 only. So answer is minus root 3. Next, 19th one. See, sine of 1500 degree. Sine of 1500 degree can be written as, see, sine of 4 into 360 degree. 4 into 360 degree is 1440 degree plus 60 degree is, so 1440 degree plus 60 is 1500 degree. Okay, so this is in the form of 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta present in first quadrant, correct? In first quadrant, all the ratios are positive. If angle 180 degree plus or minus theta, 360 degree plus or minus theta, ratios remain same. Ratios does not change, correct? Next, so sine of 60 degree. So sine 60 degree value is root 3 by 2. Okay, the 19th one answer is root 3 by 2. 20th problem, sine of minus 690 degree. Okay, sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. In fourth quadrant, sine is negative, correct? Minus sine 690 degree. Next, 690 degree can be written as sine of, see, 2 into 360 degree is 720 degree, correct? 2 into 360 is 720 minus 30 degree. Minus 30 is 690. Nodi, 2 into 360 is 720. 720 minus 30 is 690 degree. Next, minus. This is in the form of 360 degree minus theta. 360 degree minus theta is in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, sine is negative. Okay, only cos and secant are positive, correct? Sine is negative, minus of sine. Sine changes to sine only, because angle, if angle 360, sine, so ratios remain same, correct? Next, sine changes to sine only, sine of 30 degree. So minus into minus plus. Sine 30 value is 1 by sine of 3 pi by 4. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪೈನ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೈಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಪೈ ಇಸ್ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಪೈ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಇಸ್ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಪೈ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ 180 ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೇ ಥರನೇ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 3 into 180 degree divided by 4. ನೋಡಿ, 4 ones are 4, 445s are 180 degree. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ 2 2s are 4, 2 90s are 180, again 2 1s are 245s are. ಸೊ ಆ ರೀತಿನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 45 ಇಂಟು 3, 45 3s are 135 ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 135 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. 45 plus 45 90, 90 plus 45 135. Okay, next 135 can be written as sine of 90 degree plus 45 degree. Okay, 90 plus theta, second quadrant. In second quadrant sine is positive. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೈನ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 90 ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಟು cosine. Cosine 45 degree, correct? 90 idre automatically sin changes to cosine. So cosine 45, cos 45 is, so cosine 40, cos 45 degree value 1 by root 2. This is the final answer. Next, cos of 11 pi by 4 can be written as cos of 11 into 180 degree divided by 4. Next, 4 1s are 4, 45s are 180 degree. Next, cos of 45 into 11, 11 into 45 degree. So cos of 11 into 45 is 495 degree. Next, cos of 495 can be written as cos of 360 degree plus 135 degree, correct? 495 can be written as 360 plus 135. If you add these two angles, you will get 495 degree. Next, cos of 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta, first quadrant. In first quadrant, all the ratios are positive. If angle is 360, cos changes to cos only. Next, cos of 135 degree. Cos of 135 degree can be written as cos of 90 degree plus 45. 90 degree plus theta, second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative. Next, if angle is 90, automatically sin changes to, cos changes to sin. Sin 45 degree. Next, sin 45 value minus 1 by root 2. Already one minus is there. See, minus is there. So, minus 1 by root 2. This is the final. Next, 23rd, tan of 7 pi by 3 can be written as 7 into 180 degree divided by 3. See, 3 1s are 3 6 are 18 followed by 1 0. Next, tan of 7 6 are 42 0 for 420 degree. Next, this can be written as tan of 360 degree plus 60 degree. See, 360 plus 60 is 420 degree. So this is in the form of 360 plus theta. First quadrant, correct? 360 plus theta present in first quadrant. In first quadrant, all the ratios are positive. If angle is 360 plus or minus theta, ratios remain same. Okay. Next, tan of 60 degree. Next, tan of 60 degree. Tan of 60 degree is root 3. So this is the final answer. 10 pi by 3. Secant of 10 pi by 3 can be written as secant of 10 into pi is 180 degree divided by 3. Okay. Next, 3 1s are 360s are. Next, secant of 60 into 10, 600 degree. Next, secant of 600 degree can be written as secant of 360 degree plus 240 degree, right? 360 plus 240 is 600 only. Next, this is in the form of 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta, first quadrant. In first quadrant, all the ratios are positive. If angle is 360 plus or minus theta, ratios remain same. So, secant of 240 degree. Next step, secant of 240 degree can be written as secant of 270 degree minus 30 degree. correct. 270 degree minus 30 is 270 minus 30 ಯಾವ quadrant? 270 minus 30 is third quadrant. In third quadrant 270 minus 30 is third quadrant. In third quadrant tan and cot are positive, secant is negative. If angle is 270, automatically secant changes to cosecant, correct. Cosecant of 30 degree. Next minus cosecant of 30, sin 30 you know, value of sin 30 is 1 by 2. So reciprocal of sin is cosecant. So cosecant 30 is 2. So this is the final answer. Next 26th, cot of minus 7 pi by 3. This is in the form of cot of minus theta. Cot of minus theta is minus cot theta. Minus cot theta, in place of theta 7 pi by 3 is there. Okay. Next minus cot of 7 pi by 3 can be written as 7 into 180 degree by 3. So 3 ones are 360s are. So minus cot of 60 into 7 is 420 degree. Next minus cot of 420 can be written as 360 degree plus 60 degree. So this is in the form of 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta is in first quadrant. First quadrant all the ratios are positive. 360 idre enagutte cot changes to cot only. So minus cot of 60 degree. Okay. Cot 60 degree value is tan 60 is root 3. Cot 60 enagutte 1 by root 3. So minus 1 divided by root 3. This is the final answer. Today 26th ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, 25th ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. 25th problem. Next ನೋಡಿ, this is in the form of sin of minus theta. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. Okay, minus sin of 5 pi by 3, correct. Next minus sin of 5 pi by 3, 5 into 180 degree divided by 3. 3 ones are 360s are. Next minus sin of 6 into 5 is 300 degree, correct. Next this can be written as sin of 360 degree minus 60 degree alva. 360 minus 60 is 300 degree only. Next 360 minus theta ಯಾವ quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 360 minus theta fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant sin is negative. Already one negative ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. So negative of 360 is sin changes to sin only. Sin of 60 degree. Next minus into minus plus. So sin 60 value. Sin 60 value ಏನಪ್ಪ? root 3 by 2. ನೋಡಿ sin 60 is root 3 by 2. This is the final answer. Next 27th problem. See, secant of minus 2 pi by 3. Secant of minus theta is plus secant theta, correct. Because minus theta fourth quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So fourth quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ secant ಮತ್ತೆ reciprocal secant ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಯಾವುದು cos, secant ಮತ್ತೆ cos. Okay, in fourth quadrant secant and cos are positive. Okay, so secant of 2 pi can be written as 2 into 180 degree divided by 3. 3 ones are 360s are. Next secant of 2 into 60 is 120 degree. Okay, next 120 can be written as 90 degree plus 30 degree, correct. 90 degree plus theta second quadrant. In second quadrant secant is negative. 90 is the secant automatically changes to cosecant. Cosecant 30 degree. Next cosecant 30 value is ನೋಡಿ sin, reciprocal of sin alva. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So cosecant is 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 by 1 is 2 only. This is the final. Next cos of 4 pi. Cos of 4 pi can be written as ನೋಡಿ cos of 4 into 180 degree. Okay, so cos of 4 into 180 degree is cos of 180 degree. 180 degree plus 180 degree is 360. 360 plus 360 720 degree ಅಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ 720ನ ನೀವು ಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ಕೋದು ನೋಡಿ, 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ತೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಸ್ 90ವರೆಗೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಕಾಸ್ 180, ಕಾಸ್ 270, 360 ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ ಮೆಥಡಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ 360 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 360 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕಾಸ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಟು ಕಾಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಥೀಟಾ 360 ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಗೇನ್ ಕಾಸ್ 360ನ ನಾನು ಏನಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, 270 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ. 270 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ. 270 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟು? ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಇನ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 270 ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಟು ಸೈನ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಥೀಟಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 90 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ 90 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು? 1 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ 90 ಇಸ್ 1. ಸೊ ಕಾಸ್ 4π ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ 1. ದಿಸ್ ದ ಫೈನಲ್. ಈ ಸೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಟೋಟಲ್ 14 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಸೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೇನಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ 8 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೇನನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತುಂಬ ಲೆಂತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೇನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಒಂದು ಲೈಕ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಯಾರು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.